Goal post and head on in. So, are you excited?
Yeah.
Me too. So, nice day out here, about 55, 60, so beautiful South Bend. Man, it's a lovely city. So, let's go on in and see what's going on.
I'll remember in there, it's probably like fielding HOs.
Here's David on the AstroTurf. Nice AstroTurf as you go in. Kind of cool. So we'll go on and see. Okay, we're in. Heading down this spiral staircase down to the Michigan wing of the College Football Hall of Fame. So let's check her out. See what's going on.
Michigan Stadium. Like good people of South Bend to take note of when you want to go to a football stadium, you see this one huge.
Here we are in Michigan Stadium. Getting ready to watch the game. Programs. Michigan versus Penn State today. Can't hardly read the scoreboard. Getting more and more full. So we'll see what's going to happen. Stay tuned.
Chills run up and down our spine.
Yep. There's the Michigan stuff, some of it. Good Michigan in here today. No Notre Dame stuff though. Guess nobody wants to see their garbage. No, not really. Pretty nice in here. Here's where it's really cool. There it is. Michigan helmet snack tray made the Hall of Fame. Cool. Well, here we are. You excited?
Uh-huh.
Why don't you look at me?
'Cause I don't want to be on it.
Why?
'Cause.
You're a party pooper. She's a party pooper. Are you having fun?
Mm-hmm.
We're going to get the new vehicle. Hope that works out, don't you know?
Mm-hmm.
There she goes. So, hope the Dodge makes it. Transmission is not participating in the program. So, we'll tune out and tune back in later. So, we're out of here. Got 79,000 some miles on here. Goodbye. Okay, here we are at the dealer. We've been here about 10 minutes and they cannot find the car. We got about another 10 minutes and we're going to take the one we came in and go home.
Like that? I got one.
Oh, I love them. Yeah.
You got one of those? Well, that's an RCA?
Yeah. Is it a small one like this, though?
Yeah. It's
Well, here it is, the new Jeep. Finally, I get to drive it. Mary's had it all day. So, we'll take a look around. Get some shots for Snappy. And we'll send these over to Tony. See what he thinks. So, here we get a shot of the wheel here. Take a look inside. Here's what I don't really like, that cruise control, but we'll have to live with it. Okay, we're out of here. 10-4, roger that. Okay, here we are at stadium. Go and see Michigan play the Irish.
Go ND.
Go ND. All right, we're going over here to the stadium. Check it out. Are you having fun yet, Mary?
Yeah. Look at Judy's shirt.
Judy, she's got Irish on. I couldn't find my Michigan one. I don't know what happened to it. Is it hanging in the basement of your mom's house?
What, the Michigan sweatshirt?
No, the one that says Michigan on the...
Oh, it's at the house.
Yeah. Oh, well. So we'll know later when we get in, see what's going on.
Get your money ready.
Later. Yeah, I was live. We're going in. What's wrong?
She said she would buy a ticket and I'll buy a hot dog.
Oh, okay. We're at Frank X Stadium. Mary's in line getting tickets, 50 cents a piece. Some horrendous noise coming from somewhere. Oh well. And the Wolverines are clearing. Man out Dustin. What do you think, Mary?
It's fun.
Are you having fun? We've been here 5 minutes.
Pardon me?
We've been here 5 minutes.
Yeah. So weird. Kind of exciting. I can't
You're
wait
not-
to get a hot dog.
You're not having fun, Judy?
Said she's weird.
Who?
I want a hot dog.
Okay. She wants a hot dog.
Would you wave?
What so proudly we hailed, twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight.
Thoroughly butchered.
O'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets with glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the
One of the speakers.
Number 3, the third baseman, Mike Cervenak. Cervenak, third base.
Wolverines just hit a home run.
Next up for the Wolverines, the designated hitter, number 27, Brian Pesco.
1-0. Ooh, swings hard.
First, Elvis impersonator in the person of Dale Long, who will be appearing at CB Falcons this month on the 10th, the 17th, the 18th, and the 24th. Elvis, take it away.
I don't know.
what you wanna do. But honey, they all the don't do.
Well, here we are, race day. Hi, Mary.
Hi, Deanna.
You having fun? Oh. Debbie's here.
Archbishop of the Catholic Archdiocese of Indianapolis. Father Beekline. Let us pray. God of grace and holiness, we invoke your
Having the invocation by Father Tuck, Friar Tuck, whatever. What do you think, Mary?
We come as peoples of the world.
Ready for a hot dog?
She's waiting for the old lady.
You what?
It's a crappy day.
Oh, I thought you said the father was gay. That's what I thought she said. I said, what do you think? I thought she said he's gay. And I was going to say, how do you know?
Unite the hearts of the hundreds of thousands gathered here and of those millions who join us around the world. This Memorial Weekend, we offer thanks for the courageous service of our country's fallen ones.
There's Doug. What's up?
Come on.
This Memorial Day weekend, we pause here
Pause here.
in a moment of silence to pay homage to those individuals who have given their lives
Chilly out today.
honestly
There's the dogs,
to make it
Barry and Dutchie.
to witness
Get him, Dutch.
men and women's
Get him, Dutch.
greatest sporting event. We also pay homage
Bigs
to
are
those
now.
men and women who have given their lives unselfishly and
Be
without fear
alone.
to make racing the world's most spectacular.
Turn it
It's
up.
time for that annual singing of Back Home Again in Indiana. Mr. Jim Neighbors.
Gomer.
What is that? Record the whole thing. Hopefully we can see it.
Shut up.
I'm glad they give him a new liver. This wouldn't be possible without that.
No. Does look pretty good though, don't he? Yep, compared to what he did.
It worked for him, but then for Mickey Mantle.
No.
When I dream about the moonlight on the wabash, how I long for my Indiana.
That's one thing Indiana's got going for it.
Good song.
A good song. Probably the other thing it's got going for it is I live there now.
No environmentalist wackos, they'll have a fit because they released all them balloons. Pelicans will choke on them.
To your cars, please. All drivers to their cars.
You know, they're not going to release no doves at the Olympics this year because a couple years ago one flew into the torch and got burnt up.
Oh, you're kidding.
It's true.
11 rows of trees.
Start the race. Ladies and gentlemen,
She had a stroke.
start your engines.
Okay, take her back to the garage for next year. Maybe she's like that every year.
Life and drivers now begin to respond along with the.
I don't think I got a good recording of that.
Say it. Say it. Start the race.
Say it.
Roar begins to build as we're ready for the 80th running of the Indy 500. Let's go, Terry Punch.
That's where they keep her.
They probably got her strapped to a dolly and they'll just roll her back in and put her in the closet.
Take her over there to the Indian Museum.
There you go. Well, here we are. We're on our way to Dresden, Ohio.
Yay!
How's things going over there, Mary?
Getting kind of tired.
Getting tired? Wow. Huh. That's strange. Mary's getting tired.
No hands!
Yeah. Looking for the first Waffle House we can find. About 20 miles, I think. Not focusing very well here tonight. Very low light, though. So we'll carry on until we find a Waffle House. And we'll get back with you.
Lima, 14 miles.
Yeah, 14 miles to Lima. That's the first Waffle House. Well, here we are in Dresden, Lungerburger land. Are you having fun?
I am having a ball.
She's already hit the stores.
Yeah.
They hit us hard. We're going to walk down here for a ways, see what's going on.
Take a picture of this basket.
What basket? Oh, Mary wants a picture of this basket. Got these large baskets all over the place, full of flowers, and people got them on their front porches and in their yards and whatnot. So let's continue on, and we'll see what's going on. We'll continue on. Okay, here's Mary. She's here at the Lungerburger ride. Get in, Mary. Let's try and take off.
I can't get in it.
Looks like big rides.
Isn't this great?
They got a big pot. They make everything big in Dresden.
Oh my God, this is ceramic.
Is it really? She says that's ceramic. We're here in the heart of Dresden. Huh.
And I am having a ball.
She's having a ball. We're having a ball. Look what I bought. A pop, 50 cents. I get something today too. So, weather's kind of, geez, what is the weather?
It's very nice.
It's kind of humid, but it's not,
Extremely.
Nah, not yet. I don't know if it's even going to be. But we're going to carry on, show all the sights. We're out of here. Okay, we're having supper. Actually, we're having lunch. We're at Popeye's the Sailors.
I am so excited.
So excited. They got Lungerburger baskets everywhere.
I got a new outfit.
A new outfit is in Dresden. We're back into basket buying mode. This has really fired her up, I bet. We'll have to buy a lot of baskets in the next few months.
No, but I'm going to have a lot more parties.
Are
so
ya?
I can get free ones.
There you go. That's a good idea. But we're going to see what's going on. I'll tell you one thing I've noticed about these places. They got the air conditioner on these buildings. Whoever does their AC down here really knows what he's doing.
Yeah, because it's cold.
Every store we've gone into has been freezing. This one's no exception.
That one store where I tried on those clothes, that place was freezing.
So, okay, we're out of here. We're going to see the large basket next.
Oh, you...
Well, here we are. Again, we're at the Lungerburger, the world's largest basket. Yes, Mary?
It's made of 10 hardwood maple trees.
10 hardwood maple trees. Al Gore would not appreciate this at all. You cut 10 trees down to make this? Al Gore's mad. But anyways, there it is, and there's Mary. So, oh, look at the difference. I'm going to come look closer. There she is. World's largest basket. So let's go up closer. 2,000 hours to build it. She's very...
Imagine going in and out, in and out.
Yeah. Weaving, weaving, weaving. So. Oh well. Let's go.
Well, that hurts.
Yeah, I know. I know.
Together?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Here we are spending the rest of the rent for the month. She's still scanning the area. See what else she can buy.
The protector's 390.
I have.
I can write a check. You want me to write a check?
No. Yay! There she is! You're a grand old flag. You're a high flying flag. Do 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 do. Are you ready to go? Do 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 do
Like my new outfit?
New outfit, new shorts. We get new outfits for any occasion, don't we?
Yep.
4th of July, interview at a job, it don't matter. Nice hat. Are you ready to go?
Yep.
Okay, I got the camcorder. That's what we came here for. Let's go.
And number 3, Bob Running.
Yay, we're here. Hi, Mary.
You gotta give me a kiss.
All right. How you doing?
What is this guy's name?
That's Dino.
Dino, that's right, I forgot.
Dino, that's Barney Rubble. Hey.
Should we go over there and give him a hug?
Yeah, sure.
Hey, Barney! I have to talk to people here. What are you doing? You want my hat? Thank you.
Hey, Barney's got her hat on. Where's Fred? He's at
Fred's over there?
he's at the quarry still. Okay. All right. What's this over here? I don't know. Is that a spook house or something?
Theater.
That's what it is. We'll get pictures later.
Look at that big jumbo M&M.
Oh my God. Okay, here we are at the Budweiser booth. Kenny Bernstein Drag Racer. Mary feels like driving that thing. Don't you, Mary?
What?
You want to drive that thing, don't you?
I have driven it.
You have? Oh, okay. What do you think so far?
Hot.
She's hot. Let's go outside. Come on. Right. Hey, Mary.
Hey, we're getting ready to give away a
There's the family unit.
really cool Schwinn bike. It is a Phantom Cruiser.
Everybody's here. All right. What do you think? Peace. You ready for the balloons to go up? There's one of them garden butts. I think they bought that over at the craft show.
Good folks at Imperial
That's
Beverage.
nice.
We've been here all week. You're seeing that
Giant M&M man's here.
cool big
Balloons will be
cans.
taken up hopefully in a few
Here's all
minutes.
the beverages which there are a lot
At
of
the
them.
big carnival over
You
there.
got registered. If you were one of those, you want to pay
Major
attention
looking
here.
carnival. I think we'll hit
Registered
over
for
there
that
though.
Schwinn Phantom Cruiser.
Tony the Tiger.
Look at
Rock and roll
purple bike
band.
from Schwinn.
People.
Imperial Beverage is giving it away, and we're going to tell you who has won it.
Everybody's
Right
everywhere.
now, it is right down here in front of us, right to the right of the big M&M.
It's supposed to be a heart.
So congratulations from
Hey, here's Mary and Smokey the Bear. Oh boy. Oh, pin.
No, it's a fun little pug.
Oh, hey. Remember, only we can prevent forest fires. Oh, Smokey the Bear. Mary wants to take him home, make him sit in the corner, don't ya?
Yeah, I do. Except I don't think he's fit in my corner.
We'll move the birds. Okay, here we are in the Budweiser Clydesdale tent. Here's Scott, he's having a little bite to eat.
Real bird.
I like oats. But I guess we're gonna miss him going out. We'll see him here. I wonder where the wagon is. That's probably on display. We'll check around. Right, Scott. There's the Budweiser fire dog. Hey, Ralph. He's walking away. Oh, they're loading up the Budweiser stuff, it looks like. Oh, well, I don't know if we'll see the van, or the wagon. Here's the semi-rig. Oh, well. What do you think?
Pretty awesome.
Pretty awesome.
Riding style, looks like.
Yeah.
They ride better style than I did when I was in a circus. At least their semi's a lot better looking.
Yep. Here's some of the balloons.
Right now is the Kalamazoo
I
balloon.
can't see them through my viewfinder. I can't hardly see right now. But they're up there somewhere. Oh, there they come in. The more I stare through here, I can start seeing them. They're way up there, all over the place. Anyways, they're coming in. Can't see what that one says, but we'll get some shots of it. We'll see if we can get anything better later.
Every balloon tonight. The cards are out there, just on the other side of that pickup truck.
There's some balloons going over.
Power on.
Here we are at Charlton Park. Got the Civil War battlefield set up. Quite a few tents all set up out here. Be a good 100 or more. There's the folks. Anyways, they're going to do a battle. Fight it out. Here's some dresses for sale down here. Old fashioned. We'll take a look around and let everybody know what's going on. The boys set up.
I'm a little old to be a Civil War soldier. I think this is what they call something.
Civil War era dresses for sale. Mother's looking at them for $285.
Oh, this is gorgeous here. $375.
$375 for this one. She says it's beautiful. Really looks like it's quite well made. They're going to play a song I've never heard before.
Marching along.
The army is gathering from near and from far.
Sorry about that. You're going to have to turn that off.
Take two.
The army is gathering from near and from far. The trumpet is sounding the call for the war. The Cleveland's our leader. He's gallant and strong. We'll burn on the army and be marching along. Marching along, we are marching along. Burn on the armor and be marching along. The Cleveland's our leader. He's gallant and strong. For God and our country, we are marching along.
Have you ever heard that song?
For us in battle array, but let us not waver or turn from the way. The Lord is our strength and the Union is our song.
There's a bunch of the Union soldiers. Several hundred of them.
That is not so strong.
Rebels head off that way. So getting prepared for the fight. We'll move into position. Saw Abe Lincoln over there. Did you see Abe Lincoln over there? You didn't? Rebels over there. Fans behind us playing. Some Rebs here. And over here. gives the Gettysburg Address. Where'd Dad go? Oh, there he is. I see him. Oh well, we'll get more of the battle when it starts. Okay, the rebels are starting to line up. Battle is going to start in a few minutes. They're marching into place. The cavalry. A lot of people out here. Down up that way is the Union soldiers. Spectators all up and down through here. So we'll get more.
They are shooting blanks, but that does not mean they're...
Some more of the Rebs. They're moving in. I guess that was it. Johnny Rebs over there. I hear a rebel yell. Charging. Here comes some rebel cavalry. To have the Union on the run. Now the amazing thing is this battle's been raging for 20 minutes and not one single casualty. They've probably fired 5,000 rounds or more. 2 or 3 charges, and yet no contact has been made. No wonder why the Civil War took so long. Been hit nothing. Hit guys now. Starting to take casualties. Done.
Some rebel.
Yeah.